just click the economy for $1 a month. And this is going to automatically apply the coupon code by itself. Now what's going to happen next is this video is going to cut to a previous video that I recorded that's going to show you how to install website hosting and how to install WordPress, and then after that we're going to start building the actual site. Okay, now pick your domain name, just whatever domain name you want, something that's going to be relevant to whatever your website's going to be about. I'm just going to do this one real quick. Okay, finance and solutions available. Click add and continue. Okay, and then after you did that, you land on this page right here, and this is just going to show you your total, and since you click that link, it automatically applied this promotional code, and just to show you, we'll remove it, 1218. If you don't have that, it's back up to $60. So put that code. I'm going to put that code back in for sure. And then I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to go to proceed to checkout. Okay, and I'm going to sign up as a new customer. Okay, so I just entered all my information in. It's going to be blurred out for obvious reasons, but when you get the account information right here, email address, username, password, make sure you write all that stuff down, or just make a note of it somewhere, even though I'm pretty sure they're going to give it to you anyways. And the next thing you need to do is go down to payment information and pay however you want. I'm going to choose PayPal. Okay, and then after you pay, you're going to land on your confirmation page, and all you're going to do is, if everything looks right, 1218 should be your total. Click I agree, and then place your order. And that's it. You now have website hosting. Okay, now before we go and install WordPress, first I want you to go up here and go to manage my domains, and we're gonna verify our email. We gotta do that before we can do anything. So just come right here, click verify email. Now check your email, and there should be some type of message there. Okay, so I'm gonna go check my email now. Okay, and if you can see right here, it says action required. Verify your email. Okay, now that's it. Your account is verified. Now we're going to click here, go to my account, and we're going to set up WordPress. And you can do this if you want, or you can just skip it. I'm just going to click no thanks. Okay, so when we get on this page, we're going to go here, and we're going to go to web hosting and click manage. Right where it says new cPanel, click setup. Now you can select from your domain. It's already selected. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to create a username and a password. Okay, now after you do that, make sure you make some kind of note of that, and then click finish. Then we get started. Okay, now you should be in your cPanel, and to install WordPress, we're just going to scroll down here to web application. So you click WordPress. Install this application. Okay, now when it gets to this part, we're just going to leave it blank. So anytime anybody goes to this link, they'll land on your page. You can scroll down here. This stuff should be all figured out for you right here. Click install. Okay, and then you'll land on this page after you're done. And if you ever need to edit your password, or any of those type of things, you can go here, view edit details. It'll give you all your stuff right here. You can edit all that. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna click this one that says /WordPress admin. Alright guys, we're back, and you should now have your website domain, you should have your hosting installed, and you should have your WordPress installed, and you should be looking at your dashboard page on your WordPress blog that looks something like this. Now, as always, we're going to take a look and see what the blog looks like. And as you can see, blank as usual, and we're going to make it look a little less blank. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to settings, and we're going to click general, and this is where we're going to change the name of the blog, the site title, and the tagline. And I'm going to name my site Daily Real Estate Tips. Oops. And then I'm going to put my tagline as this, and you guys can put whatever you want for your site title depending on what niche you're in. You can just make it accordingly, and then scroll down here and click Save Changes, and then we'll just come up here and we'll right click this and open it just so we can see how it looks. Right there, new title, new tagline. Now we can move on to the next step. Okay, so let's head over to the post section so we can get some content up. And this is the default post that always comes with when